बातें हवाओं को बनाए रखना, रोशनी की रखना, लेकर जिसकी हिफाजत शहीदों ने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। Good morning, everyone. It is a big pleasure to welcome you all to our Independence Day celebration. As the morning light touches the land, India celebrates its 79th Independence Day. This celebration honors the nation's history, spirit, and future. On behalf of the entire school, it's our privilege to welcome a distinguished chief guest, Brigadier Shakarud Hasan, Sena Military Commander, 7th Infantry Brigade, Station Commander, Camp, President, and Chairman, APS Prime. Your presence here today reminds us of the strength, discipline, and sacrifice you personify every day. And also like to extend a heartfelt welcome to our guest of honor, Mrs. Chairperson, Headquarters, 7th Infantry Brigade, and also take the opportunity to welcome other dignitaries from our armed forces. We also welcome our respected principal sir, under whose guidance and wisdom our school nurtures. Today, the monumental struggles, sacrifices, and unwavering spirit that led to the birth of the sovereign nation on the 15th of August, 1947 are remembered with pride. This year's theme for the Independence Day celebration is honoring future and inspiring the future. A call for every Indian to remember our journey and shape what's actually ahead. Now, I'd like to invite Vanessa to deliver the speech. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world slept, India had awoken to life and freedom. A very good morning to our fellow present here. Today, I, Pratibha Patra of Class 11A, stand before you to walk you down the history of our independence. 15th of August, 1947, a day forever imprinted in the hearts of every Indian as the first day when we bled in free India. After a long combat of struggle, not only for a few decades, but centuries, our forefathers succeeded in providing us with our freedom. Since then, India restarted, rekindled, and redeveloped with courage. And today, India towers over the crowd in every aspect of life, whether in defense of culture. This day is celebrated with pride in the hearts of every Indian on how together we defy the odds. With every passing year, India grows and improves. And so, today is to remind us not only of the sacrifices made for us to see this day and honor it, but also the progress of India in becoming a real world paradise for its citizens. Every year, 15th August is considered no less than a festival for the people of India. People adorn themselves in the holy colors of saffron, white, and green, and stand together to salute our national flag. The chopper that flies high not because the wind moves it, but for the breath of every passing soldier who gave their lives protecting it. It is the day when each and every one of us are taught of our roots, origin, and duty to our motherland, and are inspired to contributing to our country's growth and victory. We have come a long way throughout these 79 years since our independence, but ask ourselves, is the battle truly over? I would finally like to remind you all not to take our freedom for granted. The emotions and pride one feels this day must not be forgotten, but rather respected. Every citizen must do their part in ensuring that our tricolor flies high. As for the children of our country, we, as the torchbearers of the future, must honor the responsibility of ensuring that our tricolor flies high and converting the dream of true India into a reality and giving the wings to the golden bird once again. जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहाँ बहती है गंगा, जहाँ अनेका में एक का है, सत्य में जय जहाँ नारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है, वह भारत देश हमारा है। जय हिंद and thank you. This inspiring speech fills us all patriotic fervor. Now, get ready to be mesmerized by the soulful rendition of the song Jai Jai Pyara Bharat Desh that evokes the spirit of our nation. That was a heart-touching performance. So we all do credit. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to witness something truly special. Now, it's time for the Vidyanjali Volunteer Program, which is a demonstration of their passion and commitment to our nation, presented to us by the students of Silver Rock School.
जहाँ धरती गाती गीत में हर में बसता प्यार बड़ा बसती है पग पग प्रीत यहाँ है उड़ता जोश जहाँ प्राणों में बता भारत है मेरा
That was a wonderful performance. Next, I'd like to invite Priya to recite a poem on patriotism.
मैं आपके सामने एक कविता जो हमारे देश के प्रति समर्पित कर्म समर्पित और ये जीवन समर्पित चाहता हूँ देश की धरती तुझे कुछ और दूँ, तुझे कुछ और दूँ। माँ तुम्हारा दृढ़ बहुत है मैं अकिंचन किंतु इतना कर रही फिर भी निवेदन हाल में लाऊं सजाकर भाल जुल्फी कर तरफ से भाल लेना यह समर्पण गान अर्पित प्राण रक्त का कणकण समर्पित चाहती हूँ देश की धरती तुझे कुछ और दूँ, तुझे कुछ और दूँ। जय हिंद जय भारत।
Next, we have Ansha Mahikas to deliver a slogan.
जिनके हिस्से में हम
Well, that was burst of patriotism, encapsulated in cadence. He put the values we stand for and the love for our motherland. Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, and many unnamed heroes created the narrative of independence through their courage and sacrifice. Now, get ready for a soulful recitation of patriotic poem by our little stars.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and happy Independence Day to one of President. Be the students of school. Greet you all with love and cheer. Today, we are going to recite a poem on the occasion of Independence Day. Let's start.
Let's give our example a huge round of applause. We may have different religions, different languages, different color of skin, but we all belong to one human race. Unity, not uniformity, must be our aim. We attain unity only through variety. Differences must be integrated, not annihilated, not absorbed. Now, we have a cultural performance by unity and diversity by our multi-talented students. That was an outstanding performance. It was both engaging and reflective of the nation's pride and cultural heritage. In a sense, patriotism is a multifaceted sentiment that can be expressed in various ways. It includes a sense of belonging, shared history and culture, and desire for the nation's well-being and prosperity. Coming forward, our Krishna Kaveri and Shastri Yadav present slogan of the occasion of Independence Day.
सुप्रभात मैं विद्या बिहारी देशभक्ति पर एक स्लोगन प्रस्तुत करना चाहूंगी
Wow. I don't know how to move on and sense of patriotic spirit thriving in the army. Now, it's time to enjoy a diamond at the energetic dance drama by our senior grade students. This dance drama is a vibrant celebration of the Indian freedom struggle and showcases the traditional and patriotic values of India.
मैं जल्द आ रहा हूँ। भेज दिया भेजा मुझे पता है कि चार्ली चैपलिन की बहुत फिल्में देखते हैं। अरे वाह, तो ये क्या लिखा रहता है?
पक्का मैं जरूर बताऊंगा।
ओहो, अच्छा सुन, माँ कह रही थी दुल्हन लाने का सही समय है।
मैंने अपना पूरा जीवन देश के नाम करने आया है। अब आजादी ही मेरी दुल्हन है।
सुनना हो तो आवाज को जोरदार सुनना होगा। इनकलाब एक लड़ाई है जुल्म और नाइंसाफी के खिलाफ। इनकलाब एक हथियार है आदमी पर आदमी का शोषण।
इनकलाब एक ऐलान है इसके नौजवानों को एकजुट करने के लिए।
इनकलाब एक पुकार है सोए हुए आवाम को उठाने के लिए। फकीर, प्रेमी और पागल एक ही चीजों से बने होते हैं। मैं ऐसा पागल हूँ जो जेल के अंदर भी आसान।
1 मार्च 1931।
चलो समय हो गया है।
बस एक आखिरी कदम।
भारत ये रहना चाहिए। देश से है प्यार तो हर पल ये कहना चाहिए। या हो या ना रहो, भारत ये रहना चाहिए। हम तेरे आंचल पे रहते हैं दुनिया में हम माटी को माँ कहते हैं। हम तेरा जाकार देंगे आसमान पर। दुश्मनों से लोग हमें छूना नहीं आता, तुम्हारी गोलियां तमसे हमारी छातियां सदा। हमारे नाम पर ढोलक बजेगी तो जहानों में मरेंगे लोग कि हम सदा रहेंगे आसमानों में। हिंदुस्तान नाम होगा हम दीवानों पर, हम तेरे जाकार देंगे आसमानों
That was a spectacular dance drama that embodied the spirit of bravery, patriotism, and devotion. Now, we hand over the mic to Bushra Shweta for the felicitation ceremony. A very good morning and happy New Year to my success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, study, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. Nobody will know to today's felicitation ceremony as we gather here. Let us take a moment to reflect on what makes this occasion so good. The students and faculty members of Army Public School Kanpur have made us all proud by achieving remarkable feats in their respective academic and professional endeavors. During the academic session 24-25, with an academic performance index of 481.01 in class 10 and 498.68 in class 12, holding third position among 17 schools in Northern Command. It's my utmost honor to host this ceremony to celebrate their victory. Now, I would like to invite our respected chief guest, Brigadier Shibarul Hassan, and guest of honor, Ma'am Saida Hassan, on the stage to felicitate our achievements. Firstly, we have students who topped the overall Indian board exams. I invite Harshvardhan Singh from class 10, who topped the board exam with a percentage of 98 and securing 100 marks in science. He has been felicitated with cash prize of 5,000 rupees. Next, we have three first toppers who scored remarkably in the class 2 board exam. Anya Shakir topped the humanities stream with 97.4%. She secured 100 marks in geography. She has also been felicitated with cash prize of 5,000. Congratulations, Anya. Next, we have Rajesh Singh Sehgal. He topped commerce stream with 95.8% and scored 100 marks in economics. He has also been given cash prize of 5,000. Congratulations. And lastly, I Singh, who topped the science stream with a percentage of 93.2. He has also been felicitated with cash prize of 5,000. Congratulations, I. Now I shall invite on stage students who scored above 95% in class 10 exam. From 10 we have Gauri Krishna who scored 97.6%. She has won a cash prize of 3,500. Next, we have Siri Shruti, scored 97.4%. She has also won a cash prize of 3,500 rupees. Next, we have Samir Chauhan, scored 96.6%. Artishka, who has scored 96.6%, and she has also won a cash prize of 3,500 rupees. Moving forward, we have Abhiksha, who scored 96.2. She has also won a cash prize of 3,500 rupees. Next, we have Meenakshi Singh Bhadoria, scored 95.8. She has also received a cash prize of 13,500 rupees. Up next, Divyansh, who scored 95.8 and also won a cash prize of 4,500. Alika Singh has hit the goal with 95.65%, also receiving a cash prize of 3,500. Next, we have Ansha, who scored 95.4. He is also receiving a cash prize of 3,500. Last but not least, we have Priyanshu Rai, scored 95%. He has also scored a cash prize of 3,500. Congratulations. Now I invite students who score 90% and above years for more exams. They have also won a cash prize of 2,000 rupees each. Shraddha, 94.8%, and Mohan Pandey, 94.8%. Keep clapping for them. Tiger Singh, 94.4%. Nikhil Kumar Yadav, 94.9%.
आपको फोन में चाहिए कि ईमेल आईडी में
Shaista Iraqi, 94%. Bhavik Singh, Divyanshi Sharma, 93.4%. Arpita Yadav, 93.4%. Anushka Ingle, 93%. Vicky, 92.4%. Diya Siraj, 92.8%. Chandresh Singh, 92.6%. Ashish Kumar Sharma, 92.4%. Abhinav Yadav, 92.4%. Shobhit Singh, 92.2%. Vanshika, Vinny, 92%. आदित्य यादव,
कैमरे पे लगाना है।
मिष्टी 91.6%, सार्थक सिंह 91.3%, संदीप सिंह 91%, ऋषिकेश अवस्थी 90.8%, आस्था सिंह 90.6%, मुकेश देव 90.6%, शिवा दीक्षित 90.4%, आदित्य भट्टी 90.4%, सौरभ शर्मा 90.4%, शिवानी शर्मा 90.4%, राजवीर सिंह 90.4%, द्विवेदी 90.4%, कीर्ति 90%, आदित्य मिश्रा 90%. Congratulations to all of you. Now I should invite on stage all the students who scored 90 and above in their class 12 board exams. All of them have been facilitated with 2,000 rupees each. Sarthak Gupta and Ravi Shankar. Sarthak Gupta from Commerce and Ravi Shankar from PCM. Adhish, 92.8% from science stream. Mayapal, Aditya Singh, Akansha Singh, Janvi, Mani Chandra, Shaurya Rautela, Prashant Tiwari, Abhijit Verma, Amita Devi, Rajesh Kumar, Priyanshi, Vishwas Singh, A very heartiest congratulations to all of you. With a design that stood out for its imagination and school spirit, let's give a big round of applause as we welcome Arushi from class 9G. She is the winner of Arnoli Age magazine cover page. Congratulations, Arushi. Our students have done a phenomenal job in their academic performance. We proudly acknowledge their sheer hard work, dedication, focus which they put into their studies. It's a high time we celebrate our mentors at this institution who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to motivate, educate, and guide their students. With great honor, I shall now invite the faculty members at Army Public School, Kanpur, who achieved the highest API in the academic session 24-25. Beginning with class 10, we have Mrs. Shifali, TGT class 10. She has achieved a commendable API of 987, the highest this year. Her subject, AI and IT. Her 3 students have scored 100 marks. Next, I invite Mrs. Anamika Dixit, TGT class 10, who has achieved a wonderful API of 952. She also taught AI. Now I invite Mr. Rahul Thakur, TGT. Next, Anjali Yadav, Sri Gopal. Next is Mrs. Amanita Shukla. She is a Hindi teacher. She is called Next is our Madhu Krediya. She is also a Hindi teacher. Next, Veena Sinha, Hindi teacher. She also scored 692 API. Miss Shrika Pandit, TGT English. She scored 605.1. Next, Mrs. Jyotika, TGT Geography, scored 585. Next is Mrs. Satya, TGT Economics, scored 555. Next, Mrs. Patti Singh, TGT History. Next, Mr. Naveen Singh, TGT Geography, scored 5. Next, Mrs. Preeti Morgan, TGT History, got 552 API. Keep clapping for your teachers. Next is Mr. Gaurav Tripathi, TGT Politics. Next is Mrs. Adriana Mishra, TGT, who got 550 API. Last TDT segment. TDT who starts there? Congratulations to all my dear colleagues. Beginning with class 12. This Divya was achieving high KPI of 704.48 as PGT is class 12 in her project in English. This milestone reflects her consistent hard work, dedication. She is awarded with a cash prize of 50,000. Next, we have Mrs. Manju Lady, PGT Hindi, for class 12, achieved a remarkable API of 675. She also was awarded with a cash prize of 5,000 rupees. Next is Mrs. Vandana Agrawal, PGT English. She scored 661 API. Next is Mr. Manish Kumar Yadav. Mrs. Ramika, PGT Biology, scored 621.43 API, awarded with cash prize of 1,000. Next is Mrs. Priyanshu Singh, PGT Political. Next is Mr. Kumar Gaurav. Sanjana, she scored 569.23. Next is Mr. Kumar Gaurav, PGT Computer Science, scored 500. Next is Abdullah Mukadama, PGT Business, scored 500. Next is Mrs. Ankita Pandey. Next is Mr. Pradeep Singh, PGT Geography, scored 559.6. Awarded 2,000. Now request our chief guest, Anil. There can be perfect soul to the teacher to never give up. Let me take an opportunity to welcome and acknowledge the educators who help students score 100 marks in science, maths, and AI in class 10, in session 23-24. I would like to call upon Mrs. Banami Khan, Mr. Arun Sucha, Mrs. Shikari Gupta, and Mrs. Sudhi Devi, of creating the creativity letter by children and children in this country. Dear teachers, your dedication to your craft, your students, and your institution is an inspiration to all of us. As we celebrate the achievements today, we also celebrate the spirit of education and responsibility. Now I will achieve their kindly address the officer.
Thank you. God bless you. Happy